today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper crane. Now it has many steps that are not as simple as I thought they would be, but we're going to go through it together and we can do it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold it in half, horizontally, nice and easy. Now what you're going to do is you're going to unfold it and fold it the other way in half. And you're going to open it up and fold it diagonally. And then diagonally the other way. Been hard for me, and if you can get through it, you'll probably be able to do the whole crane because it's like the hardest step. So what you're going to do is it's still in this triangle because you folded it diagonally. You're going to put your finger to the middle like this, and then you're going to push down to make it a square. Now turn it over. Do it to this side too, except there's a triangle next to it now. Put your finger in between and push down. Like that. It is in this square because you've done that step to both sides. And what you're going to do is you're going to see which side is open, like this, and you're going to put that on the bottom, like this. So you're going to fold this inside and do the same to the other side, like this, and then flip it over. And you're going to do it to this side too. And I always like to think of it looks like an ice cream cone, right? So I call this the ice cream cone step. Okay, so now that you have this ice cream cone, what you're going to do is you see this top triangle. You're going to fold it forward, turn it over, forward. And do it a couple times, and then you're going to unfold the ice cream cone. So you have the ice cream cone unfolded and you're back to the square. You're going to take this top flap and push it down. Then you are going to push these little flaps down to make it a diamond. Then you're going to turn it over, push this flap up, and then you're going to fold it to make it a diamond again on the other side. Now you have your diamonds done and ready, and it's almost the end of it. So this is your diamond, and next what you're going to do is you're going to see which side you can make it walk like feet, like this, and put that on the bottom. So you're going to fold one side like this, the walking feet side, and then you're going to fold it on the other side too. And origami is very symmetrical, so obviously you're going to turn it over and do the same thing. And right there. Okay. So this kind of looks like a kite, right? And Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it sideways like this, and you're gonna open it up, and there's a crease there. Push it down on that crease, and then fold that little flap in half like that. And then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. The symmetry still stays the same. So you open it, push it down on the crease, and fold it like that. Okay, so now you see this side's a little bit like wonky, so I'm gonna make that the head. You just fold it down, so that's their beak. And then you can make it in flight, or you can make it just sitting down. So I'm gonna make it in flight. You can fold the wings down like this, and then it can be flying. So that's the last step of making a paper crane. I hope you liked your paper crane, because I definitely liked mine. And could you give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.